Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her social.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Dipped in Chocolate. So today's vlog is about me doing an all-nighter at UWI's library. So if you guys maybe haven't had this experience, but yeah, I'm gonna make sure that you guys, see what I do when I'm doing an all-nighter for an exam at the UWI's library. So let's go. So for those who do not know, an all-nighter is like you swatting for an exam for the entire night to until morning or something like that. Yeah, so it's like a from I don't know how to describe it, but it was like from 7 o'clock right back to maybe 5 a.m. in the morning. I had my little notes up, I had my water, I had my iPad, I had some snacks, and I was just chilling. I was there with Danique, so it was a vibe. At this time it was 12:42 a.m. So your girl was on business. So I was studying for my law exam. Um, at this time, you see me and Danique was just vibing. So yeah.
So guys, it's 2:35 a.m. So exam is in a couple hours. Um, this is what I have written so far. And guys, if I should tell you the truth, I haven't read anything that I have written down as yet. So I'm yet to study. I'm just squatting. This is Danique over here. Um, Danique is just here trying to do the biggest and the baddest academic comeback there is in the academic, lifetime of students. So we have other students here, even a young lady that is sleeping around there. She's snoring, guys. She has passed per 3 ill and all of those hills that are in Jamaica. So yeah, me just cock up and enjoy myself and I try study because you can do it. So guys, now 4:02, I was just leaving the library. So what time we reach?
We reach from 2:30 p.m.
Yeah.
We complete the assignment at Karamak. Come over at 4. Assignment? Or 3:30. And we've been studying from 3 to 4 a.m.
All night.
Bizarre.
All nighter. All nighter, guys. And even though we have been studying, oh my god. This was a remember when we study. I'm gonna go up and now. I'm not gonna drop asleep right away. I'm just gonna read over a little bit and then drop asleep.
Alright guys, so I went to Taylor Hall to stay the night, well, the morning until it was light, because I could not get any transport to go home, or I could not even walk home at that time because it was 4 o'clock in the morning, and that is unsafe. So I was at Taylor Hall. When I reached, but like I reached on the hall by 4, 10 minutes past 4, and then I studied until 5 o'clock. I dropped asleep, and then I woke up again, guys, and started to study a little bit. And then I had an assignment in the early morning, like about 10 a.m. So you can just guess the little sleep that I got, but the work has to go on.
Hi guys, so I forgot to vlog when I was at Taylor Hall, but I am now at Karamak in the same clothes. Yes, because I did an all-nighter on campus. I'm yet to go down to shower and to take a good nap. So now I'm at Karamak to finish one of my assignments so that I can
start so that I can send it in. And start studying back again. Yeah. This evening, Jamaica is experiencing partially cloudy skies with light and variable winds. Temperatures will drop to approximately 24 degrees Celsius. Tomorrow, we will expect sunshine with a small chance of light showers in the early afternoon. The temperature will get to a high of 32 degrees Celsius and humidity of 67%. This was your weather forecast for today. Let's check the time. This year, unwrap the season's best with the perfect gift for courts. This year unwraps the season's best with the perfect gift from Courts. They have it all at the best prices and with ready finance too. The time by Courts is 6 p.m. She has that the expanded service will be a boost for the destination during this year's winter tour season. In sports news, Clarendon In sports news, Clarendon College is one step away from claiming their first title of the season after a 2-0 win over Hydel Eye at the Anthony Spalding Sports Complex on Tuesday. Heading school, boy. I came on campus yesterday at about 2 o'clock. I stayed on campus overnight studying for my exams. I just woke up in the same clothes, guys. I have no shame in my game. It's now 10:54 a.m. and I am still on campus, just finished an assignment over Karamak, heading to Taylor Hall to go home back to my house to shower and get ready for an exam. So guys, I am now home and this is Friday, December 15th. So it's like 10 days till Christmas. But anyways, I am now studying for my history exam. I am trying to write an essay on some topics so that I can, know what I want to do or have to do. So guys, the law exam yesterday was mad crazy. I was studying. You guys have proof. I was studying. I did an all-nighter. The Lord will not let me fail or allow me to fail because I did well on my in-class assignments. So just hope that everything works out. But now I am studying the exam, so I'll catch you guys later.
So, from you guys see from my pink towel and the shower curtain and my bonnet on and me showing you the soap, you don't know a bathing time. So I took a shower. As I reach my yard, I bathed it. Because I was on campus from 2 p.m. in the evening, in the afternoon. And then I was on campus until about 11 to 12 a.m. in the morning. And then, in the afternoon, And then, it was just so chaotic because throughout all of this time, I had to just be focusing on my studies and focusing on my assignment that was to go in. And it was so chaotic. I got some KFC to eat. I don't think I had the clip of it, but I should put a clip of me eating some KFC and studying at the same time. So it was so chaotic, but to God be the glory. I made it in time for the exam.